Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make very quick rope in Blender. So let's get started. I'm gonna go Shift plus A and I will add circle, but I'm gonna click number 7 on the number pad, and we can duplicate this circle and place the first one over here and duplicate it again and put it the third one somewhere over here. Now we're going to select everything. We're going to click Ctrl J, and in edit mode we want to delete all vertices that are inside. Okay, now we're going to select these two and we're going to click M, merge at center, also over here merge at center, and over here merge at center. Now we have something that looks like this. We're going to go to Object, Set Origin, and set Origin to Geometry, then Shift plus S and Selection to Cursor. Now we're going to go over here and I'm going to add a screw modifier. And we'll change number of iterations to 3, let's say, and we're just going to expand this. And already this looks like a circle, but I'm going to scale this down. Something like this. Okay, now we have something that looks like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna click Shift plus A and I want to add Bezier path. We're gonna go to Edit mode and extrude it a bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna select this and we'll add a curve modifier. We're gonna select curve object and we're gonna select Bezier curve and deform axis to Z. Now essentially what this does is the rope is gonna follow this Bezier path. So whenever I click Bezier and go to object mode, I can expand this, let's say something like this, and when I select our rope and go to screw, it's going to follow the Bezier path. Okay. Now we can see this happening, so we can just select our Bezier path and we can you know, make it a little bit better so it looks nicer. Yeah, so basically you can play around with these values too, but yeah, if we want more like these lines, we're gonna lower this number a bit, but we're gonna increase number of iterations. But yeah, you're gonna create something that looks like a rope. Yeah, so this is a very quick tutorial on how to make the rope in Blender. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.